Hey everybody, this is Bassanio from Assist to Develop, and look, really excited to see a lot of you in about a week and a half at SolidWorks World. But I wanted to take a moment to talk about something that I actually wrote in a blog post titled Why Attend SolidWorks World. You can click on the link below and read more details because it actually gives some actionable tips on how to maximize this conference. But I wanted to talk about some common misconceptions and comments that I hear about SolidWorks World. And they typically go something like this around this time of year. And I'm not going to SolidWorks World. It's the same thing year over year. Another opportunity for SolidWorks to talk about everything that's new in their product, all things that I can hear online, read about later. Now, I won't disagree with you. You can read about it online, you can check out more information later. But this is what you're missing: the opportunity to expand your network. And like a great quote says, your network equals your net worth. And if you think about it, a large portion of engineering is technical communication and collaboration. And isn't SolidWorks World the ideal place to connect with like-minded individuals? People that maybe use the same CAD software, maybe suffer from some of the same challenges. Look to your right in a technical session. The reason you're there might be the same reason that they're there. They're there to learn about something new, about something that's exciting. Maybe they just need some tips, some guidance. So take the opportunity. Talk to the person next to you when you're at SolidWorks World. Expand your network. Tuesday night, the event. Have a couple of drinks. Get that liquid confidence. And then go out and have a conversation with a complete stranger. Maybe that complete stranger ends up being an engineering manager at a company you wanted to work for. That's what SolidWorks World is, to me, really all about. Connecting with like-minded individuals who are there to get inspired and there to learn. So take the opportunity to do that. We'll be there. Look for me. Connect with me online on my LinkedIn. My name is Bassanio Peters, or connect with Assist to Develop on our social channels at Assist to Develop. We're releasing the latest version of our product there, which is an online marketplace that connects companies that are looking to hire technically gifted engineers, whether it's freelance or full-time. That's what we do. We're there to connect with a lot of the engineers, have conversations, soak up knowledge that we can roll out and put into our product to improve it for our customers and user experience. That's a plug about what we do while we'll be there. If you see the hat, I'll be walking around with it on. Grab me, and guess what? I have a ton of hats to give away. It's the A2D logo. Cool hat, company called Branded Bill. Shout out to them, custom hats. Really high quality, well made. Looking forward to connecting with a lot of you guys there. And again, take the opportunity to expand your network at SolidWorks World. It's really a big family reunion, and the people that go year over year understand the opportunity, capitalize on it. Now it's your turn. Again, you want to read more and get some actionable tips about how to make it a great conference? Click the link below.